What makes a man see you as someone he could spend his whole life with? It's more than just the obvious things. Some small, yet powerful qualities can make him see a future with you. These are the traits that catch his attention and make him think, she's the one. In today's video, we'll reveal 8 things that instantly change the way a man sees you. These are the qualities that can make all the difference and make him picture a future together. Keep watching to learn what truly matters and what could make him fall for you in a way that lasts forever. Number 1. Radiates unstoppable confidence. When a woman carries herself with confidence, it's hard for anyone to ignore her. This doesn't mean being boastful or perfect, but simply being comfortable in her own skin. A man is naturally drawn to a woman who is self-assured, not because she's flawless, but because she knows her worth and doesn't need validation from others. Confidence can be seen in the way she speaks, moves, and carries herself. It's not about being the loudest in the room, but the one who is calm and secure. A man appreciates this because it shows strength and independence. It gives him the reassurance that she can handle challenges and that she doesn't need him to complete her, but to complement her. This confidence inspires trust and admiration, qualities that are essential when thinking about a lifelong partnership. Number 2. Always has his back. One of the most powerful things a woman can do is to show unwavering support for her man. A woman who is genuinely there for him during both good and tough times builds a strong emotional connection. This means more than just being his cheerleader on easy days. It's about standing by him when he faces difficulties, offering encouragement, and showing empathy. A man wants someone who believes in him and will be there through thick and thin. This support fosters trust, knowing she will be there no matter what. He can rely on her, and that's a huge factor in seeing her as a long-term partner. A solid emotional foundation like this is crucial for a future together. Number 3. Shares his dreams and goals. Having similar goals and dreams can create a sense of unity in a relationship. When a woman shares a man's vision for the future, it brings a sense of partnership and alignment. Whether it's about building a career, traveling, or starting a family, knowing that they are working toward the same things builds trust and closeness. It's not about agreeing on everything, but it's about having a shared sense of purpose. When she shows interest in his dreams, supports them, and even shares her own, it creates a deep bond. This mutual understanding and support make a man feel that he's not alone in his pursuit and that they're walking side by side toward a shared future. Number 4. Makes him feel special. A man wants to feel appreciated and valued by the woman he's with. Small gestures that show thoughtfulness, care, and affection go a long way. It could be complimenting him on something unique, surprising him with something meaningful, or simply acknowledging his efforts. When she makes him feel special, he feels seen and loved for who he truly is. This makes him want to invest more in the relationship because he knows she genuinely cares about him. This sense of importance and recognition creates a deeper emotional connection and solidifies his view of her as someone he could spend his life with. Number 5. Heart full of warmth. Kindness isn't just about being nice. It's about having a genuine, caring nature. A woman with a warm heart doesn't just show love toward him, but toward everyone around her. She treats people with respect and empathy, whether it's her friends, family, or strangers. This kind of warmth creates an inviting, loving atmosphere in a relationship. It makes a man feel safe and comfortable, knowing that the woman he's with has a kind and nurturing soul. He's drawn to her not just because of how she treats him, but because of how she brings kindness into the world. This quality shows that she is capable of deep love and care, which is vital in any long-term partnership. Number 6. Loves creating memories together. Relationships are built on shared experiences. A woman who loves making memories with her man is someone who adds value to his life in meaningful ways. It's not about extravagant dates or expensive gifts, but about creating moments that matter. Whether it's a simple walk in the park, cooking dinner together, or going on a spontaneous adventure, these experiences build a lasting connection. A man sees a woman who enjoys these moments as someone who will continue to create beautiful memories throughout their life together. These shared experiences bring them closer, solidifying their bond and making them both look forward to their future together. Number 7. Gives him the space he needs. A healthy relationship requires a balance between closeness and individuality. A woman who understands and respects her partner's need for space is not only wise, but emotionally mature. Men, like everyone else, need time to recharge, pursue personal hobbies, or hang out with friends without feeling guilty or judged. When a woman respects this need for personal space, it shows that she trusts him and values his independence. It's crucial for the health of the relationship that both individuals feel they can grow as individuals without losing themselves in the relationship. This space doesn't create distance. Rather, it fosters a healthier and more balanced relationship. When a man feels that his partner respects his time alone or with others, it reinforces the trust and mutual understanding between them. It allows him to come back to her with a renewed sense of energy, appreciation, and love. Over time, this mutual respect for each other's personal space creates a relationship built on trust, respect, and emotional maturity. A woman who understands that space is important doesn't feel threatened or insecure when he needs time for himself. Instead, she embraces it as a natural part of a strong and lasting relationship. It's this healthy dynamic that allows both partners to flourish while maintaining a loving connection. A man sees this understanding and respect as a key trait of someone he could build a future with, knowing she won't smother him or try to control him. Number 8. Naturally, compassionate compassion is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. A woman who is naturally compassionate doesn't just show empathy for him, but extends that kindness and understanding to others. Whether it's a friend going through a tough time, a colleague needing help, or a stranger in need, her heart is always open to those around her. This shows that she is someone who can nurture and care for people beyond just her partner, which gives him confidence that she will do the same in their relationship. When a woman shows genuine care and concern for others, it speaks volumes about her character. A man admires this compassion because it proves she's not only capable of love, but she also has the emotional depth to handle a serious, long-term commitment. Compassion fosters trust and emotional safety within the relationship, which is essential for a strong foundation. A man knows that a compassionate woman will be understanding during tough times, patient when things aren't perfect, and supportive when challenges arise. This quality also creates an environment where he feels comfortable being vulnerable with her, knowing she won't judge him or dismiss his feelings. He understands that with her by his side, he can always count on her empathy, care, and love. It's these small, consistent acts of kindness and compassion that make a relationship feel safe, secure, and worth investing in. A man sees this as a sign that she's someone who could be his partner for life, someone who brings not just love, but deep emotional support and understanding into their future together. You've now seen the 8 things that can make a man see you as his future wife. These qualities go far beyond what meets the eye. They build trust, emotional connection, and a sense of security that lasts. When a woman radiates confidence, shows kindness, supports him through tough times, and shares his dreams, she becomes someone he can picture by his side for the long haul. But the journey doesn't end here. There's so much more to learn about building strong, lasting relationships and becoming the best partner you can be. If you want more tips on creating connections that last, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who could use a little relationship advice. It helps us keep bringing you content that can make a difference in your life. Now that you know these powerful traits, it's time to put them into action. The next step is all yours. Keep shining and building the amazing, loving relationship you deserve. Stay tuned for more.